I just filmed taking that off. It's not that exciting, but as usual I touched the epoxy camera while putting it in the stand, so that's the end of that. Right, so we'll just take that off, that cable tie. Where am I? Starter. Now we want to get in here and get these cable retaining clamps out. Which can be a bit fiddly. And if you've got a magnetic screwdriver, right, it's a bit of a state, isn't it, this one? This one's well dirty. Let's just take the on off one off. We don't need to do that, but see how far I can get into this to clean it out. You ain't got much of a view, have you? But that's just the nature of this beast, I'm afraid. Actually, I couldn't do that on my other switch, it wouldn't come out, so at least we've got that far. Right, I've got to get in there now and try and... oh, there's a second screw, isn't there? Is there? Or what? Yeah, ha ha ha, dimwit. Second screw. That's actually a vent hole in the bottom there, see that? Yeah, well that's where all your crap gets in. If you drop the bike in a puddle, and it goes through there. It's worth noting that that screw is a whole nanomillimeter longer than the other ones. Right, now then, how do I do this? I go and get another screwdriver, that's how. It's been many years since I've fiddled with one of these. I don't fully remember what it is I did. Right, did you follow all that? So we're now at this situation here. We've got a whole load of gubbins up inside there, which we really don't want to get too much grief from. Just going to give it a quick spoof up. Try and get... you're having a bit of trouble seeing me, aren't you? Right, now sometimes you get to a situation where it's impossible to actually concentrate on filming it while actually doing it. So, right, as you can see, this switch, well, you can you? I'm telling you. There's springs and plates and all sorts inside here. There's one locating lug. There's two more there. Guess what you got to do now? You got to prise these apart to get your guts out. And it's not a nice job. Especially not when I'm trying to keep it in focus for you lot to see. Ooh, that wasn't very nice, was it? The alternative here is to go and buy a brand new switch. Lovely jubbly. Or you could just fill that up with switch cleaner and hope for the best. Oops. Yeah. due to this thing flying around, oh, that's the wrong end. Due to this thing flying around all over the place whilst me trying to film it for you, that's not going to make things easier. So I'm just going to open this with 2 hands, off shot, and then I'll explain to you what goes on. Well, I'm back. Live direct. Basically, see the two hooks on that side. I went down through the top with a small flat blade screwdriver, and I've hooked them. So that's freed that side. Right, now keeping my finger and thumb on that side. We need to unhook, there you go. We need to unhook the other side. So, there you go. Look at all the burn on that one there, look. And these two, they're completely corroded up. So, there's 99% of all your problems right in there, look, see? Terribly bad, terribly bad. Right, now these will be on a spring. Should we mess with these, or should we leave it alone? Keeping my finger covering everything so it doesn't all fly apart everywhere. It's been many years since I've been in here. I don't really recall what I did now. I'm going to go with just cleaning up all these contacts. Put the air line in there, blow some dust out. You see, these are the bad boys that need cleaning up. So basically, that's the job done, isn't it? You just clean all those up, snap it all back together, and get back to having lights when you turn the lights on. Right, that'll be it then. Cheerio now.